Guys, a few months ago, we switched our four Yorkies over to this open farm harvest chicken recipe dog food. And I just wanted to let everybody know that we absolutely love it and the dogs love it. We love that the meat is humanly raised without any antibiotics or anything bad for them. It's high quality grain that's used. And this is a 22-pound bag. This bag has the new look. But like I said, we've been using this for months. This bag will last us months with four dogs. Um, it's small enough for their little teeth. Our smallest one is not even 4.5 pounds yet, and she's able to chew this without any problems. Here is what they look like, the little pellets, and they just love it. And I highly recommend it. It is well worth it knowing that our dogs are getting fed high quality food.